Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Subscribe.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
إن الصفا والمروة من شعائر الله فمن حج البيت أو اعتمر فلا جناح عليه أن يطوف بهما ومن تطوع خيرا فإن الله شاكر عليم.
Surely, Safa and Marwa are of the symbols of Allah, so whoever comes to the house for Hajj the pilgrimage, or performs Umrah the visit, there is no blame on him if he goes round them both, and whoever does good voluntarily. Indeed Allah is appreciative, all-knowing, sure.
يسألونك عن الأهلة قل هي مواقيت للناس والحج وليس البر بأن تأتوا البيوت من ظهورها ولكن البر من اتقى وأتوا البيوت من أبوابها واتقوا الله لعلكم تفلحون.
They ask you about the new moons. Say, they are indicative of time for the people and for the pilgrimage, and it is not righteousness to enter the houses from the back, but righteous is he who fears Allah. So enter the houses by the doors and fear Allah that you may be successful.
أتموا الحج والعمرة لله فإن أحصرتم فما استيسر من الهدي ولا تحلقوا رؤوسكم حتى يبلغ الهدي محله فمن كان منكم مريضا أو به أذى من رأسه ففدية من صيام أو صدقة أو نسك فإذا أمنتم فمن تمتع بالعمرة إلى الحج فما استيسر من الهدي فمن لم يجد فصيام 3 أيام في الحج و7 إذا رجعتم تلك 10 كاملة ذلك لمن لم يكن أهله حاضر المسجد الحرام واتقوا الله واعلموا أن الله شديد العقاب.
Perform Hajj the pilgrimage and Umrah the visit for the sake of Allah, and if you are prevented, send an offering such as you can afford, and do not shave your head until the offering reaches its place of sacrifice. But if any one of you is ill or he has an ailment of the head necessitating shaving, then there is a ransom. He should either fast or give alms, or offer a sacrifice. And when you are safe, then whoever avails the advantage of combining Umrah with Hajj must make an animal offering such as he can afford. But if he cannot afford one, then let him fast for 3 days during Hajj and for 7 days after returning. That is 10 in all. This for him whose family does not reside near the sacred mosque. Fear Allah and know that Allah is severe in retribution.
الحج أشهر معلومات فمن فرض فيهن الحج فلا رفث ولا فسوق ولا جدال في الحج وما تفعلوا من خير يعلمه الله وتزودوا فإن خير الزاد التقوى واتقون يا أولي الألباب.
The Hajj is in the well-known months, so whoever undertakes Hajj therein, let there be no lust, no sin, and no quarreling during Hajj, and whatever good you do, Allah knows it, and take provision for the journey, but the best provision is the fear of Allah, so fear me, O men of understanding.
ليس عليكم جناح أن تبتغوا فضلا من ربكم فإذا أفضتم من عرفات فاذكروا الله عند المشعر الحرام واذكروه كما هداكم وإن كنتم من قبله لمن الضالين.
It shall be no offense for you to seek the bounty of your Lord by trading, and when you press on from Arafat, then remember Allah at Al-Mashar al-Haram, the sacred monument, and remember Him as He has guided you, and indeed before this you were those who were astray.
أفيضوا من حيث أفاض الناس واستغفروا الله إن الله غفور رحيم.
Then press on from where the people press on and ask the forgiveness of Allah. Surely, Allah is oft forgiving, most merciful. And
فإذا قضيتم مناسككم فاذكروا الله كذكركم آباءكم أو أشد ذكرا فمن الناس من يقول ربنا آتنا في الدنيا وما له في الآخرة من خلاق.
And when you have fulfilled your pilgrim rites, then remember Allah as you used to remember your forefathers, or with more fervent remembrance. And among the people is some who say, Our Lord, give to us in this world. Such shall have no portion in the hereafter.
من يقول ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار.
And among them are those who say, Our Lord, give us good in this world and good in the hereafter, and guard us from the punishment of the fire.
أولئك لهم نصيب مما كسبوا والله سريع الحساب.
Those, they shall have the portion from what they have earned, and Allah is quick to take account. And
اذكروا الله في أيام معدودات فمن تعجل في يومين فلا إثم عليه ومن تأخر فلا إثم عليه لمن اتقى واتقوا الله واعلموا أنكم إليه تحشرون.
Remember Allah during the appointed days. If anyone hastens on in 2 days, it is no sin for him, and if anyone delays, it is no sin for him, if he fears Allah, and fear Allah and know that to him you shall be gathered.
إن أول بيت وضع للناس الناس للذي ببكة مباركا وهدى للعالمين.
The first house of worship appointed for mankind was indeed that at Becca, a blessed place and a guidance to all the worlds, where
فيه آيات بينات مقام إبراهيم ومن دخله كان آمنا ولله على الناس حج البيت من استطاع إليه سبيلا ومن كفر فإن الله غني عن العالمين.
there are manifest signs, among them the place where Ibrahim stood. Whoever enters it is secure. Pilgrimage to the house is a duty owed to Allah, for him who can find the means to go there, and whoever disbelieves, Allah does not need anything from his creatures.
وإذ بوأنا لإبراهيم مكان البيت ألا تشرك بي شيئا وطهر بيتي للطائفين والقائمين والركع السجود.
Remember the time when we prepared for Ibrahim the site of the holy house, saying, "Do not ascribe any partner to me, and purify my house for those who go around it, and those who stand, and those who bow and prostrate themselves."
وأذن في الناس بالحج يأتوك رجالا وعلى كل ضامر يأتين من كل فج عميق.
And proclaim to mankind the pilgrimage. They will come to you on foot, and on every lean camel, wending the way from remote regions.
ليشهدوا منافع لهم ويذكروا اسم الله في أيام معلومات على ما رزقهم من بهيمة الأنعام فكلوا منها وأطعموا البائس الفقير.
That they may witness that which is of benefit to them, and mention the name of Allah on appointed days of sacrifice over animals from among the cattle that He has bestowed upon them, then eat from them and feed from them the poor and the deprived.
ثم ليقضوا تفثهم وليوفوا نذورهم وليطوفوا بالبيت العتيق.
Then let them undertake their acts of cleansing and fulfill the vows, and go around the ancient house.
لقد صدق الله رسوله الرؤيا بالحق لتدخلن المسجد الحرام إن شاء الله آمنين محلقين رؤوسكم ومقصرين لا تخافون فعلم ما لم تعلموا فجعل من دون ذلك فتحا قريبا.
Without a doubt Allah has made the vision come true for His messenger. You will indeed enter the sacred mosque, if Allah pleases, secure, with your hair shaven and cut, without fear, but He knows what you do not, and has given you a near victory.
صدق الله